my channel. Today we are doing a one brand makeup tutorial, and this one brand is going to be Milani. So I think there's a couple things that I don't have. I think a mascara and I think a highlighter I don't have, but everything else is good to go. So yeah, this is gonna be a full face. This only took me about 15-20 minutes to do. I used the Milani Everyday Eyes palette in this tutorial. Like I did with the directions on how to do this eye look, and this is the eye look that I did. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Click the little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so in this video, I wanted to let you guys know that one person is going to be winning. I'm going to give away an Everyday Eyes eyeshadow palette. This one right here, the one I did the look with. So all you have to say in this video is enter me, and it doesn't matter where you live in the world. I will send this to one lucky winner, and I'm gonna announce it in my next video, like 110%. So make sure you guys, someone does enter me, and I will be announcing it in my next video. So please, 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 I would really love to send this to somebody. So yeah, all you gotta do is say enter me in the comments down below, and you are automatically entered to win. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay, I just changed the settings in my camera, so let me know if it's a little too bright or if it needs a little bit of tweaking, because I'm just trying to figure out what looks good, and I think it might be a little too bright right now, but we'll roll with it. So we're doing a one brand makeup tutorial. Obviously we're doing Milani. So I'm gonna start with my eyes, and I think there's one product. I don't think I have a Milani mascara, but I think other than that we have everything. So I'm gonna be going in with the Milani eye primer. Looks like that. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can kind of, I'm just gonna take that on my Real Techniques sponge. I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray, and I'm just going to put it on the tip like that. Oopsie. I really like this eyeshadow primer. The eye look's going to be pretty simple today. And then I'm just going to set it with any translucent powder will do. And I'm going to be just setting it with, it's a no-name brush from eBay. Let's go in with the eyebrows. So I'm going to be going in with the Milani Brow Fix palette. It looks like this. I'll be going in with that. This one's in, I think this one's in medium, so it looks like that inside. I'm going to be using this one right here, and maybe this one on my front of my eyebrows. Applying it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. So I'm just going to take the dark color, and my eyebrows are pretty boring. I just kind of swoop them out more. As opposed to bringing them down. And then I'm constantly brushing them. I'm just going to take any concealer and just carve out my, because I need to get my eyelashes, my eyebrows done really bad. I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. Don't know what one we're going to be working from today, so these are both I'm probably going to use a little bit of both of them. These are the Milani Everyday Eyes palette. So I have this one here. This one is Earthy Elements, 05 Earthy Elements, and then this one is Everyday Neutrals. So this is what the Earthy Elements looks like. Really pretty. That's what the Everyday Neutrals looks like. So I'm probably going to be using a little bit of both. It says for base, I'm going to be taking this color on this on the neutrals one, and just going to take a Evenson, like a big blending brush. And I'm just going to apply that. Oh, that's shimmery. Okay, so. So I'm going to just take that color here and apply that to my whole eyelash area, because that's what it says to do, and my brow bone. Okay, and then it says, okay, then we're going to apply this second one right here with a blending brush. Any blending brush of your choice. I'm just going to be using this one. This one's by Liz Wache. It doesn't really say anything on it, but it looks like that. So I'm just going to be taking that color right here. I'm just going to start. I'm going a little bit above my crease because I have slightly hooded eyes. Blending this out really well. Okay, so then it says put the orange color on my lid. I really don't want to put it on my lid, but I'm going to do what it says. I'm going to take this. This is an e.l.f. blending brush, the orange, and put that on my lid because that's what it says to do. Wow, that's a really pretty orange. Okay, then it says take 4, this one, and put this on the outer V of your eye, and then blend it into the crease. So I'm gonna take that with my Real Techniques dual fiber brush. Looks like that. I don't really feel like you can see that much, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna take this one and put it in our lower lash line with the brush it comes with. It comes with this little tiny brush. Okay, and then we're going to take the Milani Eye Tech. Looks like that. It's a liquid liner. It's so weird, the shape of this thing. Like, I don't get it. So we're going to attempt to do this on camera. Okay, so, oh yeah, and then I'm gonna take this color here, this one right here, and put that on my inner corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna take Supreme Kohl Eyeliner, Milani obviously, like that. I'm gonna do my waterline. I like that, it's black. So this is the only thing I don't have, I think, from Milani, so I'm gonna be using a mascara. This one's by Marcel. So, looks like that. And then my bottom as well. So I'm just going to put on some Demi Wispies and I will be right back. Now I'm just going to go over my lashes to make sure that there's no white glue because I see these are really long. Okay, so I'm going to go over it with eyeliner. Okay, so I have glue on my lid, so what I'm going to do with that, I'm just going to grab like a black, this is like a powdered black liner, so I'm just going to go touch this on the areas where I have a bit of glue because we don't want to look all cray cray. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M439 brush. Looks like that. It's a bit dirty. And we're going to be using today Milani Conceal Imperfect, and this is in shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. What is my color? Pretty sure it's seems a bit yellow. Wow, and this is 01 Creamy Vanilla, like that's insane. Wow. Not that bad. Okay, I'm going to be taking powder. I'm going to put a tiny bit of powder on. Okay, then I'm just going to spray my face. And then I don't know what one I want to use. I think I'm going to be using Glow by Milani. Looks like that. So I'm going to take Glow, a Real Techniques Duo Fiber brush. Then I think I'm going to take Dolce Pink. I've never used this before. This is how it looks. Beautiful. That is so pretty. I'm taking that with my Real Techniques blush brush. Sorry if I keep looking over there, you guys. I'm just wanting to make sure that my camera settings and I'm in focus and everything, so I really apologize for that. Wow, that's really bright. Okay, and I don't have a highlighter from Milani, so we're going to be taking the Sephora blush. It looks fine. Highlight is so beautiful. It looks like that. With I think I'm going to be mixing these two together, cream and matte. that's really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of matte and we are done. Yeah, so that is the end of this one brand makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Click the little bell notification down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's the end of this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.